Hey guys, welcome back to Angie's World and happy Monday. So if you saw last Monday's video, I went shopping last minute for some things for Topsy and Tim for their birthday, plus Summer Sammy and Topsy and Tim for Easter. And I bought two slimes for myself that I wanted to show you. So I've got this one from Kmart that you can get for $3. It is called the Very Bunny. And this one that's called Fast Food in Kmart for $4. And they're like one of those like kit slimes. So I'm gonna change the camera around and show them. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this one first. Now I have to be really careful because I'm in my parents' room, so I'm gonna just peel the plastic off. Okay, actually, screw that. I'm gonna do this one first because I cannot open that one. You know what? I'm gonna come back when I open them. Okay, so I'm sorry that it took so long. So what I'm just gonna do. So this here is just like all the actual add-ins, and this is the actual slime. Oh. So that's what it is, and this is the add-ins. So little burger and a little pizza, oh, and some french fries, and then some balls, and I found another chips, and then a white little ball, green, red, green. Okay, and then I'm going to sprinkle these on. And then I'm just going to take out the actual burger and the two chips, and like the big balls, just so I can actually mix it. And it is a nice green color. Just gonna actually, as I said, just take out the balls because I don't want them flying everywhere. And another thing is because I'm not in my room, I'm actually in my parents' room because the lighting in my room is kind of not good. But so yeah. It's not scented like anything, but it is really pretty. And this is like a clear slime. So yeah, I rate this like maybe a 5 out of 10. Like the charms are nice. but like the actual little like balls I don't really like. I don't know, it just doesn't look nice. But yeah, so that was the first one. So I'm gonna now do this one. So again, I'm just gonna open it, as in like just take off the top. Okay, so that's what the slime looks like for the pink one. It's a bit more thicker, and for some reason the lid is stuck. Hang on. Okay, so that is all of the add-ins. And now the only one I'm not going to use is this, because it's styrofoam and I just don't like it in slime. I'm just going to put it on the side. Now, sorry, my dog is in the room. But yeah, as I said, this slime is like a more thicker slime, which in a way it is a bit better if it's a bit thicker. Oh, this is like really thick. But yeah, it actually feels really good. Just as I said, it is a little bit thick, but okay. So what I'm gonna do, so with this one, it has a little bunny, 3 of the little balls, this little charm, which is cute, these little flowers, and then the sprinkles, which is really cute. So I'm just gonna take out all of the actual main charms, big ones. This one is a bit more tougher, so I think I'm gonna have to like melt it down, and yeah. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Also, I rate this this one a 2 out of 10. It is because it's a little bit on the thicker side, and it's a bit more harder than this one. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to do like a part 2. There is a blue and purple one in this like Easter kit, and then with this one there's also a dinosaur one, a mermaid one, and I think a skeleton one. So I can do like another video, a part 2 of reviewing. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and bye guys, see you next time.